wabarakatuh. My name is Haniwatul Zuria and my friend.
My name is Nurbahia.
What time is today?
It's 5 p.m. now.
What day is today?
Today is today.
What date is today?
It's my 6th now.
What season is now?
It's the rain season now.
Okay. Okay, part 2. Hello, what are you doing?
I'm cooking. Look now. How about you?
I finished washing my clothes, but I haven't cooked yet.
Have you been waiting long?
I've been waiting for about an hour.
See you next time.